The SDGs, or global goals, have been agreed by 192 countries, all members of the United Nations. They were agreed in September last year, 2015. They are the most ambitious goals in the history of the world. They're all relevant for all citizens worldwide. The global goals are important to projects and project managers as they require projects and project managers to achieve them. Each of the 17 global goals that have been agreed have specific targets that need to be achieved by 2030. In order to achieve the global goals targets, we need projects and project managers. Each country is developing its national plan to implement the global goals for sustainable development. So for each of the 17 global goals, specific projects should be identified and developed to be implemented and to achieve the specific targets as they are set in the global goals for sustainable development. So at the end of the day, the Barbados projects that have been identified will lead to results for Barbados. And as we speak, in Barbados, there are already projects going on that link to the global goals. For example, there is a project funded by the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, and it's called the Public Sector Smart Energy Program. This program aims to promote and implement the use of renewable energy and energy efficiency measures. That project links to Global 7 of the global goals. Global 7 is the affordable and clean energy goal. So with the implementation of this project, the results will be achieved for Barbados for Global Goal 7, or at least some. Agile project management is a different approach to managing projects. Where traditional project management typically uses a waterfall or sequential approach, Agile project management takes an iterative, incremental, and adaptive approach. Now, in order to do that, Agile project management requires a different mindset from people and the organization. A mindset in which you value individuals and interactions over processes and tools. In a lot of organizations these days, the focus is a lot on processes, on tools, on techniques. Agile project management sort of puts the individual and the people in the center. And so the individual and the interactions between individuals are valued over processes and tools. Doesn't mean you don't need processes and tools, but they just put more value to the interactions and the people. Another example is Agile project management values a working product over comprehensive documentation. As we all know, in projects, there's a lot of documentation to be done. Agile project management is still important, but it values more the working product that you deliver at the end of the day. Another example is customer collaboration over contract negotiations. Of course, contracts are important, but it's much more important to collaborate with the customer, with the various stakeholders to get to the product that meets the needs of the customer. And a fourth element that is key in the Agile mindset is that Agile values responding to change over following a plan. Of course, you need a plan, and also in Agile project, you will still have a plan. But in the Agile approach, you are much more able to respond to changes more frequently, more easily. So your whole change management process is sort of embedded in the whole approach. Now, in the traditional project management, triple constraint typically consists of scope, time, and cost. In that triple constraint, typically scope is fixed, is usually fixed. Time and cost are somewhat flexible. Agile project management turns this upside down. Basically, it fixes time and cost, so things will be delivered on time, at budget, and at the same time making then scope or features more flexible. So that is also a key essential difference between Agile project management and traditional project management. All this will allow projects to be much more responsive to changes while still delivering a quality working product that meets the customer needs. Participants in the seminar can look forward to a very interesting and interactive session. We will definitely interact, collaborate, share experiences. So it will be very interactive, very interesting. We will dive into some global goals and make them applicable for Barbados. I will present some Agile project management best practices, and we will actually practice working in an Agile way. So all the participants will get a chance to experience working in an Agile project management way. That will be fun. That will be a lot of fun. We will also discuss some effective behaviors that are crucial to make the global goals project successful using an Agile way of working. So all that, I'm really looking forward to the e-Volve seminar on September 16. And I hope to see you all and meet you all in Barbados then. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.